What's up, family? Welcome back to the All Cleaners Conference podcast. I'm Roger D. Lloyd, admin of the carpet cleaning world and owner of Steam Cleaning by BioClean, and your co-host for this show. We are back with episode 2, and today we are getting into something that I know is going to hit home for a lot of you. Pricing. Specifically, why so many cleaners are leaving serious money on the table every single week and don't even know it. Coach Jenee, let's get into this.
Let's go. I'm Coach Jenee, business startup strategist, resilience coach, and certified coach of life success. And I have coached enough cleaning business owners to know that pricing is where the real pain lives. Here's the truth nobody wants to talk about or say out loud. Most cleaners are undercharging, and not because the market won't pay more, but because they were never taught how to communicate what their work is actually worth. And that one gap is quietly draining your income month after month after month. Today, we're going to help you fix that. Right, Roger?
Yes, let's start with the race to the bottom. You know what I'm talking about. I'll beat any price. I hear it all the time in this industry. And I get it. When you're new, when you're slow, when you just need a job, dropping your price feels like the move to make. But here's what it's actually doing. It's training your market to shop on price instead of shop on value. And once you're in that game, it's no way to win it. There is always somebody willing to go cheaper. Always.
Always. And the person going cheaper than you, they're not your competition. They are your cautionary tale. There's a real difference between a price shopper and a value shopper. The price shopper asks, how much? A value shopper asks, what do I get? Your job is not to chase price shoppers. Your job is to position yourself so that value shoppers find you and stay with you. Because value shoppers become repeat clients. Price shoppers disappear the very moment somebody undercuts you by $10. Isn't that right, Roger?
And the foundation of it all is this. The thing you cannot skip is knowing your numbers. You cannot price a job if you don't know it. If you do not know what the job costs. Drive time, fuel, cleaning solutions, equipment, wear and tear, your labor, your overhead, all of it. Most new cleaners they charge $300. They charge $300 today. When you add it all up, their cost, they only made maybe $80. That's not a business. That's an expensive hobby. Jenee?
Ouch. And you know what? This right there, what you just said, that's where people get real emotional, right? They set a price based on what they think the customer will pay instead of what the job actually requires to be profitable. You have to flip that around. Start with your costs, and I mean all your costs. Add in everything. Then build your margin on top of that. That number is your floor. You do not go below your floor for anybody. I mean anybody. Not for a friend, not for a first-time client, not for just this once. Because just this once always becomes your standard if you allow it to. Right, Roger?
Yes. Now let's talk about selling value, because this is where the game changes. Okay. There is a massive difference between telling someone, I do carpet cleaning, versus I do hot water extraction, restoration that removes bacteria, allergens, and deep set soil that regular cleaning just can't reach. Same service, completely different perceived value. When you describe what you do in terms of the results, what the home feels like, the health impact, you are no longer competing on price. You are justifying a number. Jenee?
Exactly what you said. You are not selling a process, you're selling an outcome. Outcomes have a different price tag than just a job. When a client understands that you are not just running a machine over the carpet, but you're restoring the life and the cleanliness of their home, the conversation shifts. They stop asking, why does it cost so much? They start asking, when can you get here? When can you come? That shift starts with how you talk about your own work. If you undervalue what you do, your clients are going to undervalue as well. Roger?
So let's get practical.
Yes.
Raising your prices. Oh, I just know you guys just tensed up. But you can raise your price and you can keep your clients. It's not an either or situation. The key is confidence. When you quote a job, quote it clean. No apologies, no hesitation. Give the number, then stop talking. Let it land. Because when you act like the price is a problem, your clients will treat it as a problem. Jenee?
Yes. And when someone says, oh, that's too expensive, let me help you out. Here's your script. Say this. I understand, Mrs. Jones, and I want to make sure you get the right fit. My pricing reflects the quality of products I use, the training behind my process, and the results my clients get consistently. I'm not the cheapest option by any means, and I'm okay with that because my clients aren't looking for the cheapest. They're looking for the best. And that's what you want, isn't it? You say that with warmth, you say that with confidence, and then you be quiet and let them decide. The right client will say yes, won't they, Roger?
Oh, sure they will. And
Oh, yeah.
here is the real talk. Not every client is your client. You're not in the business of convincing people to see your value in your work. You're in the business of finding the people who already do and serving them at the highest level. When you stop chasing clients who will never pay your worth, you will have more energy for the ones that will. Jenee?
Oh, yeah. Everything we just broke down. Knowing your numbers, selling value, quoting with confidence, handling objections properly. That is exactly the kind of work we go deep on live on stage in Houston this November. This is not a surface level conversation at the All Cleaners Conference. We are going into the room with you, and we're working through this together to help you. Go ahead, Roger, and let them know.
November 11th, 2026, Houston, Texas, the All Cleaners Conference, 4-hour, built specifically for cleaning business owners that want real strategy, real numbers, real breakthroughs. Early bird rate is just $175 per person until August 20th, 2026. After that, it goes up to $199. So lock in your spot now. The description and the link for the description and the comments is below. We want to hear. Oh, go ahead, Jenee. Tell them.
That's right. But I was just going to say, before we close, we want to hear from you. Go ahead and drop something in the comments. What is the number one thing that makes you nervous about raising your prices? We want to hear from you. We read every single comment anyway. We just might coach it live next week. I'm Coach Jenee. I want you to charge what you are worth, but apologize for nothing. We will see you in Houston this November. Take it away, Roger.
I'm Roger D. Lloyd. Keep building, keep cleaning, keep showing up. See you November 11th, fam. And remember, the pay link to go ahead for the early bird special is right there in the description and the comments. Thank you, and we'll see you in November.
Bye for now.